Hello, my name is Saida. I'm from Kazakhstan and I study at Al-Farabi, Kazakh National University. This video is part of the challenge initiated by Professor Maxim Ponomarenko, the founder of the Polish Kazakh Culture Initiative Bosaga. The project is called On the Wave of Abai. In this video, I will read Abai's poem, Portrait of a Beautiful Woman, in English. Her brow is proud and clear as polished silver. Her eyes are dark and shed a tender light. Her eyebrows are so slim and arched so finely. They are like the crescent in the sky at night. Fresh roses bloom upon her ivory cheek. She has a delicate sculptured nose, and when she parts her crimson lips to speak, her teeth are pearls set in two gleaming rows. Her speech is suitably reserved and clever. Her love a nightingale could not recite, and when she tilts her head you feel you've never seen swans with necks as supple and as white. She holds herself erect, her walks divine, as ripe and hard as apples are her breasts. Her body is as plain as a wine, in beauty rare indeed she is invested. There is a childlike softness in her hands, the fingers strangely capable and strong. Her hair, which falls in heavy, silken strands, is wavy, raven black, and wondrous long. Bells are they all, but which of them is chaste? Not one among the lot, or so it seems. To squander their endowments they may haste, nor care to wait till they have reached 18. Their conduct is, I fear me, far from blameless. Some play the game of touch me not, and some, their independence flaunting, are too shameless, and flirt outrageously with first man come. What is upon their minds is known to all. A young jigget to marry is their dream, one who by all is held in high esteem. Such is their one ambition and their goal. They know not that jiggets are not all kin. A modest man will make no claim to fame. A scheming sword will jump out of his skin to draw attention to his glorious name. These lads our beauties never stop to sing, who do no useful work by hand or brain. Their fortune feigned, their lifetime spent in dream, and worthy not of all their tricks and pains.